To activate TurboTax from Costco, start by going to Google and searching for TurboTax CD download. Click on the first link that appears, which should be turbotax.intuit.com, and ensure it includes Personal Tax CD download. Once on the website, click on Download TurboTax software and select the version you purchased, such as Basic, Deluxe, or Premier. Then, choose your computer's operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. To begin the download, note that the download is approximately 356 megabytes, so it may take a few minutes to complete. After downloading, open and install the software, and during the registration process, you will be prompted to enter your license code, which was provided with your Costco purchase. Simply enter the code, create an account, and you will be able to start using TurboTax on your computer.